The great gamelan of Bali. You know, I have the chance to be witness the full moon festival in Bali. The full moon festival is that they start the festival at the sunset and the moonrise. They start it on the beach front of Kuta, and they travel that from the beach. They go to the temple a little bit far from the beach. So the thing is, they have a lot of women like carrying those baskets on their head, like very well dressed, and started the ritual on the beach front, and they have women like that I told you that about. They have a lot of baskets, like offering to be carried to the temple, and they have a group of musicians like the gamelan. They have the big gong, they call gong ageng, the biggest gong, and the small brass gongs also, which adds to the sound. And they carry that big gongs, like a lot of men carry that heavy instruments from the beach. It's the sound that would go into that kind of ritual thing while walking to the temple from the beach. So as you see the twilight thing, and then the moonrise and the sunset, so they start the music. The music sound like, if you're near the gamelan thing, it's like it's very, like, it gives you the feeling of the trance, because the sound of the gong was very powerful. And if you're near that, really the musical gamelan group, you feel like, because of the tones of the small gongs and the big gongs talking together, it creates the feeling of you're flying, you're in trance, and especially when they start walking, you feel like you're not already touching the ground, like you feel like your feet is already in the air because of the sound. The sound elevates your consciousness, and you're just like you're floating while walking with the gamelan musical group. The sound just fills the air, and that feeling of walking in the air, going to the temple where the ritual will end. That was my first experience with it, how music becomes very powerful, that it will lift you up off the ground, and then just the movement of the slow motion of walking to the road adds to that trance feeling, like that keeps like you're really flying in the air.